Hi, today I'm going to take you with me as I attempt to add this lady's elbow. I cut it off because we were doing headshots. In my infinite wisdom, I thought that we were going to be cropping in tighter, and now the client has said that they want her elbow in the photo. So I'm going to do that with AI Photoshop generative tools. Let's see how we go. The first thing I'm going to do is increase the size of my canvas because we need to have it wider so that we have room for her elbow to be. So actually what I will do is I'm going to duplicate this, or I'm going to convert it into a layer. In fact, what I often do is I duplicate the layer to always have like a backup of the original in case I make a mistake. I never make mistakes, but if you're the type to make a mistake, then you might want to have that security. So we're going to increase the canvas size here. Let's go 6,000 just to be on the safe side. There we go. So now there's room for her elbow. The next thing I'm going to do is actually just remove the background. So I've just selected W, which is the shortcut for the selection tool. And you can see that I've selected all of the stuff that is not her. I'm going to go Shift Command I, invert it. Hopefully that worked. There. So now I'm going to just select and mask her. And what this is going to do is mask her hair. So I'm just going to go and do that now. You probably don't need to watch me do it, but you can if you want. You might want to fast forward through this part. Maybe I'll fast forward it for you. Okay. And now we're going to figure out how to extend her elbow. So what I did was I drew a circle and I typed into Generative Fill, complete her elbow. And it has given me three options. It's also generated the background. It didn't notice that I had deleted the background. So her elbow is the same in all of them. So I'm going to hit this one because why not? And I will also have to remove this background again. Now, I think her elbow is a bit big. And so what I am going to do is reduce that a little bit. And obviously in the future, I will just take pictures including people's elbows so I don't have to do this again. But it's interesting to know that it's possible. I want to select this stuff, but not the elbow, and basically just delete it. Oh, really? I guess I need to somehow make this editable. Rasterize. That's the one. There we go. Okay, now we have an elbow. Now, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to merge the visible, which means now she's one unit with the elbow. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to reduce the size of her elbow, and I'm going to do that with the liquify tool. This video is turning much longer than I meant it to be. I wanted it to be like quick. We are going to, I think we're going to use the pucker tool. And I'm going to increase the size of my brush. See how it's kind of going down? I'm just bringing it in a little bit. So I'll see what that looks like before and after. Before, after, before, after. And that's how we do it. Now I'm just going to add the background that I've been adding, which is this one. I'm going to paste it there, put it underneath. That looks great. So I'm very happy with this tool that it worked. Let me know if you try it and how it goes for you, and if you have any questions or suggestions for improving it.